We all have that list. The list of things we should have done, the workouts we missed, the business we didn't start, the words we didn't say. Most people carry the weight of yesterday like a heavy backpack, wondering when they'll get a do over. Well, here is the secret: you don't need a time machine. You just need to realize that the moment you woke up this morning, you were handed a blank check. Welcome to Turbo Mind 1. Today, we are talking about why today is your second chance. The biggest thing holding you back isn't your past, it's your attachment to it. You say, I'm the guy who always fails, or I'm the person who never finishes anything. Shift number 1: kill the old identity. Today, you are a stranger to your past. The person who failed yesterday doesn't exist anymore unless you choose to invite them into today. Treat today as day one of a brand new life. What would a winner do if they woke up in your body right now? Many of us stay in bad situations, bad jobs, bad habits, bad relationships because we've already spent so much time on them. This is the sunk cost fallacy. Just because you spent 3 years going the wrong way doesn't mean you have to spend the fourth year doing it too. Your second chance starts the second you decide to turn the car around. Don't throw good time after bad. Pivot now. You cannot run a race if you are looking behind you. If you are busy hating yourself for what you didn't do last month, you are wasting the energy you need for what you must do today. Forgiveness isn't just a moral thing, it's a productivity hack. Forgive yourself for the mistakes. Not because they didn't happen, but because you need your brain's full processing power for the present. Clear the cache, reboot the system. When people get a second chance, they try to do everything at once and burn out by noon. Don't do that. Focus on the minimum viable win. What is one small thing you can do right now to prove to yourself that today is different? Write one page, run 1 mile, make one sales call. One win creates momentum. And momentum is the fuel that keeps your second chance alive. The clock is ticking, but for the first time, it's not counting down, it's counting up. This is your life, and you are the author. If the last chapter was bad, it's time to flip the page and write a masterpiece. Comment day 1 below. If you are taking your second chance today, subscribe to Turbo Mind 1 to keep that fire burning. Stop waiting for a sign. This video is the sign. Go get it.